Alright guys, we just got done cutting all that wood there. Probably a 50-foot tree. I'm out here at the 22. Let's see if I can peel some blackbirds. There's a robin. They're off the wish list. Oh, right there's a blackbird, guys. As you can hear, it's thundering. Not raining, but thundering. Oh, where'd that blackbird go? I don't see him now, guys. Jumped a rabbit. They're off the list too. Not quite season for them, but it will be soon enough. We got plenty of rabbits out here. I don't know where that blackbird went, guys, but I hear another one. We'll try and bust him. I'll come back when I see him. Right there he is, guys. Missed him. Dang it. It's hard studying with the gun and the phone. I'm at my grandpa's right now. I didn't plan on doing this, but I have a little extra time and I seen him out and about. So I figured, why not, right? I'm just shooting short bullets right now. This is what I had laying around. And I'm going to, oh, right there he is. He landed, guys. Let's go see if I can get a crack off at him. I doubt I'm gonna. He's back in the brush. But I'll see if I can't sneak in there and take a crack at him, guys. There he went. You sucker. I see him land again. Right there's one. Oh, he took off. Dang it. Little butthole. Frick, there went another one. There's freaking another one. Where? Right there's one. Missed him. I hit the branch that time. I didn't realize it was there until I shot. I deer hunt back here too once in a while. Back here by my grandpa's. I see one a ways away, but I'll take a crack shot. Whoa, that was way off. There he goes. Oh, right there he is, guys. What? Misfire. Got him. He's flopping in the tree. You little sucker. Dropped him. Alright, guys. I'll go show you him. I'll go grab him real quick. Okay, guys, it was a cowbird. We've got these guys around here quite a bit. They're a very gray colored bird. They're kind of like a house sparrow, but bigger. I got him. I shot him right through the spine. And then the second shot I put right there through the front of his wing. And the spine shot brought him down. Oh. Let's see if we can't get another one. Grab my gun here. Alright, guys, I don't know how many bullets I've got left. I put 10 in it, I know there's at least 2. I hear a couple over here. Let's see if I can see them. Right there it is. Oh, and it took off. Bugger. Oh, wait, there's... God dang it, they're everywhere back here, guys. Oh, I see one. There's a far shot. Missed him. Oh, there goes a couple. Huh. I'm gonna head back up front now, guys. There goes one. Oh, he didn't land, so... Yeah, guys, the reason I don't deer hunt back here a lot is it's just so thick. You have nowhere to shoot, really. But there is deer back here. For sure, deer back here, but I just... Once in a blue moon, I'll take my grandpa's 3-shot 410. It's a bolt action. I like using that. It's fun to shoot. But, I can't wait till rabbit season. I'll, get back here and get some action inside and bust a couple of those. Oh, there goes a freaking blackbird. Right where I came from, of course. Whoop, whoop, he's gonna land, he landed. Alright guys, let's go try and bust. I'll pause it, and I'll get you guys back on when he's a little ways away. I'll try and crawl through all these vines here and get a steady shot. Right there he is. I don't have a clear shot, guys. Oh, there went one. Alright, I'm gonna take it. Oh, he took off. Okay. Of course you did. Oh, right there he is. He's back in the tree. Oh, I'm pretty loud, aren't I? And there was another one. God, I never had this many blackbirds around me. Hear him, guys? Oh, shoot, he's way over there again. God dang it. Oh, trying to freaking walk through all this crap, but holy crap, is it thick. Wow. Whoa. And these are raspberry bushes. So they're a little... Oh, we got some deer tracks, guys. I think he took off on me. But I'm not walking through that again. That is for sure. Jesus. Oh, he's still there. I'm gonna take a shot. God, guys, I'm not hitting my mark today. Oh, he's back there. Freaking A. Last bullet right here, guys. I better make this one count. As you all can hear, it's thunder and lightning. It reminds me of a song I like. Thunder and lightning. I like that song. Oh, I see a blackbird. Oh, I gotta walk through about 3 foot of grass. Get to it. Frick you, barn swallows. Is that a robin or a blackbird? No. Bad news, guys. It's a robin. I can't shoot him. He's gone. Oh, there's a blackbird back in that tree. I'm only gonna take good shots, guys. And if you like these types of video, guys, head over to Josh Raska's channel. He does stuff like this. Actually, I think he had a YouTube channel before I did. I'm not real sure. Either way, he's got a channel. And Traxosaurus, that's my buddy Hunter Young. Whoa, that was some freaking lightning, but oh, that sucker flew again. God dang it. Where'd you go? I hear him. There he goes again. I'm probably gonna have to take a crack shot at him. I'm gonna, guys. Oh, there's two of them up there. Okay. Oh, here we go. Ah. That was it, guys. I missed him. About a 45-yard shot with open sights. Just an old, I don't even know what gun this is. So, Words Western Rifle. 22 small and 22 LR. But yeah, it's been a good little gun. I'll go grab the 410 for you guys and show you how I'll bust off a shot with that. Alright guys, here's my 3-shot 410. It's a nice little gun. It is a, if I remember right, it's a Western Field. I've had a couple of those, but I'm going to show you how it works if I can hold the camera up at the same time. Set this bullet down here. But, you just take this right here, guys, that moves down right there. It holds 3 shells, just like so. I'm just using a Remington slug. I've got a handful of those laying around. There's the safety on it. My buddy Sage French, he's got the exact same gun. And I'm gonna go set something up and see if I can hit it. Let's see what we got here. We just cut down all this wood. We should have something, right? I'll go about 60 yards. Oh, my buddy Sage, he just loves these Remington shells, and I've tried them a couple of times on my 20 gauge, and they don't shoot worth a friggin' darn. So I went to Winchester, Patrician Golds. Oh, I love them guns, or bullets. And I shot a doe at my uncle's house at about 260 yards, guys. 260 yards, you know, that's a long shot for a 4 or with a 20 gauge, you know. Yeah, it had a rifled barrel and it had a scope on it, but oh, that's stretching it there for a, you know, 20 gauge, I would think. All right, guys. Whoa, that's way off whack. I'm probably gonna miss. Zoom you guys in here. You guys should be able to see it pretty good. Alright. Woo! Don't you love shooting guns? $50 yards. I'm pretty sure I missed, to be honest with you guys. Oh, nope. I just shot to the left of it. Right here, blew the bark off it. I thought I seen it. And hit the corner.